CDBaby Pro Musicians Distribution Platform Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and relevant tools are in the description. Let's dive into what CDBaby Pro offers, who it's built for, and whether it's the right fit for your distribution needs. CDBaby Pro is a comprehensive music distribution platform that caters to independent musicians looking to get their music on major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Tidal, while also providing access to additional industry services. CDBaby Pro is an upgraded version of CDBaby's standard offering, and it provides extra features aimed at helping artists get the most out of their music, including publishing administration and sync licensing opportunities. This means that, in addition to distribution, you can also have your music registered with performance rights organizations (PROs), collect royalties, and potentially earn extra income through licensing your tracks for TV, film, and ads. One of CDBaby Pro's major advantages is the broad reach it offers. Your music is distributed globally, reaching over 150 streaming services and stores. Additionally, it offers one-time fees for lifetime distribution, meaning once you pay, there are no recurring annual fees for keeping your music available on streaming platforms, unlike some other distribution services. CDBaby Pro also includes detailed reporting tools that help you track sales, streams, and royalties, making it easy for artists to monitor their income from various sources. Who is it for? CDBaby Pro is designed for independent musicians and bands who want to take their music distribution to the next level. It's ideal for artists who are looking for more than just distribution. Those who want a platform that helps manage royalties, sync licensing, and PRO registration all in one place. Strengths? First, the global distribution reach is impressive, ensuring your music gets to a wide audience. Second, the inclusion of publishing administration and sync licensing opportunities is a huge benefit for musicians looking to maximize income. Third, the one-time fee for lifetime distribution is a big selling point. Weaknesses: CDBaby Pro's pricing is higher than basic distribution services, and it takes a percentage of your sync licensing income, which might not be ideal for everyone. The platform also lacks some of the automation and advanced marketing features offered by competitors. Final verdict: if you're an independent artist who wants an all-in-one solution for distribution, publishing, and licensing, CDBaby Pro is a solid choice. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with fewer fees, you might want to consider alternatives. Check out the links in the description to explore CDBaby Pro further.